It's just about that time. Very shortly we're going to be selecting a winner for the Green Hinge System. These are heavy duty garage door hinges, 12 gauge steel, powder coated, made and assembled right here in the USA, and they have a lifetime warranty, okay? I did an installation video on these a while back. I'll link to that right here, and I'll also link to the product down below, alright? Last thing I want to say before we select that lucky winner is if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can receive notifications of future videos, alright? Let's spin around, hop on the old Commodore VIC-20 and select our winner. Alright, and our winner is Artie Boehm from West Virginia. Alright, congratulations Artie. I'm going to send you an email. You get the Green Hinge System. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more giveaways.